I'm sorry everyone, it's been a long time since I've actually done a video where I've actually reviewed a character in full depth. I really don't think long reviews are the way to go for the future. If you check out my second channel, link is in the iCard, and of course, you can check it out. Most of my videos are short now, and you can see some of the ones that I've uploaded on this channel just to test things out, and they've gotten tons of views. Long reviews aren't the way to go. But I would still love to do some long reviews for you. One reason, extra bit of dollar. And also, you guys seem to like them too. Yes, I do admit, I do make these videos for the money, but I still do love them. I do like editing them. But anyways, let's take a close look at with Jay with VR headset from 2021 Singles Case F. Now, I know you're probably wondering, it says Sudeep. Well, that is actually incorrect. This is Sudeep. And if you saw my other review on Jay with VR headset, of course on my other channel, you would see that, of course, this is an error by Mattel. This is the packaged variant that I got, of course, from Get Me Collectibles in the case unboxing that I did also on my other channel. We can see he's got a very nice artwork here, which looks pretty cool. And again, the VR headset seems to be a little bit bigger than on the diecast itself. And we can see the Disney Pixar Cars logo in the top right hand corner with the code I think that is V86, the hook to peg onto the, of course, hooks. Sudeep with VR headset, Mattel twice, don't know why, pretty cool, 94 there, 3+. On the back of the packaging, there are unfortunately no new releases, but they actually did get it correct for once, and he was seen in Cars 3, with of course Rust-Eze, Cruise and Rares, Liability, APB, Jackson Storm, TG Castle. Yes, I know people will be wondering why is he on the back, but this is actually Dave Ornstasis. But a few years ago, Mattel made a mistake and actually put TG Castle, so that's why they probably think he's still in Cars 3. Anyways, we can see the King and of course Paul Conway, the next gen bumper save racer, which is going to be in 2021 Singles Case G. So what I am going to do now, I am going to lower the camera for you guys, because I don't really feel like editing this video as much as I used to. There we go. And here is Jay with VR headset. Now, it might be a little bit wonky here to begin with, but trial and edit, and of course, yep, etc. So yeah, he's got a very nice smiling expression, which we will talk about in a little bit. We've got the fenders here on both sides. He's got this very nice blue paint job or bumper here at the front, with a nice VR headset, which is unfortunately non-removable, which is a real shame. He's got Rust-Eze Racing Center 94, and we know this is Jay because he was released before from Blue Desert. He is a little bit raised now, a bit like One-Eyed Mater, Beanie Hat Mater, those types of diecasts. Exhaust pipe, light year rims, fuel cap, and the spoiler is different. I'll show that in a few seconds. 94 on the rear here too, pretty cool. And the base, where you get to see the first ever release in 2022, and the code number will be R, and of course 8 and factory A. So yeah, now here is the comparison. He's got a slightly different expression, as we can see here. He does look pretty cool. Unfortunately, we can't seem to see the eyes, but like I did say, this spoiler is in fact different. I like to see Mattel correcting their mistakes. So, we made a mistake with the name, but they corrected the diecast, which is at least a bonus. Here are the two bases. And we can see the raised difference on, of course, Jay with VR headset. We're coming up to 5 minutes now on this video, so I don't like my videos to be longer than exactly 6 minutes usually. But there is Jay. We've got some other trainees like Sudeep, Christoph, which is pretty rare. Kurt, this is the 2021 variation of Kurt. We can see Ronald, which was going to be the next Rust-Eze Racing Center racer. Aiden. Junie, which was in the 2-pack with Ronald. Ernesto, which replaced the Sequoia, which is unfortunate. We've got Tom W, which is one of my favourites, of course. And Gabriel, and there is quite a few factory customs of Gabriel currently going around, so be a lookout if you like your factory customs. Anyways, everybody, thank you all for watching today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification down below. To the next one, bye everybody.